If your Toyota Tundra's key fob is dead, don't panic. The 2022-2023 models have a built-in solution. First, use the mechanical key hidden inside your key fob, usually a flip-out or slide-out design, to manually unlock the driver's side door. The keyhole is often hidden by a plastic cover near the handle. Once inside, place the dead key fob as close as possible to the start button on the dashboard. Press the start button while the fob is near it. This allows the truck to detect the fob's transponder signal, even with a dead battery, and start the engine. Keeping a spare battery is crucial to preventing this situation and is recommended by NHTSA. If the basic steps don't work, ensure the key fob is within 2 to 3 feet of the start button and try again. Cold weather can affect battery life, so try warming the key fob. If problems persist, consider having your key fob receiver reprogrammed at a dealership, especially if your Tundra was part of the 2024 recall. Automotive experts are starting to implement digital integration for remote diagnostics and key fob status checks. Stay up to date on battery health and monitor alerts within the Toyota app. Future Tundra models may feature biometric entry to help eliminate dead battery issues, but the current design prioritizes durability, making manual methods reliable.